Fieldwork users, in this video I will cover using the PDF form feature. Open a work order, start now, and in this particular work order we'll be focusing on the forms section. So for example, I have added 4 PDF forms to this particular work order. And first I will go through completing the NPMA 33 with graph. So on a smaller device, it is good to use your 2 fingers to pinch open and close that area so you see what you're marking a little bit clearer, and essentially whatever your findings are, add that in and then sign. So I believe we're going to sign somewhere here. To use the pen, we're going to do that, say done, and I'm going to use the pen feature to then sign. Okay, so that's good. And then once completed, if you need to, let's see if there's a second page and the graph. So I'll go ahead and use this to sketch out the diagram. I'm going to tap the pen again, and then from here I can sketch out my house, whatever that is. So we'll do some fence line, some shrubs, whatever your findings must be, and then once I tap the X, it saves that. I tap the X again, it saves it. When you see the pen icon next to that, it has saved. Next up is the digital diagram. This one will use the diagram feature here in Fieldwork. So if I tap add and add new vector diagram, and from here I use the shapes, I pick my shape type, I use my square, I can reduce the zoom on this to see a larger area, and then whatever I need, I create that and save. I'll give this perfect as it has a name, and from here I'm going to go back to this and tap on the digital diagram, and I can again fill out whatever I need to fill out. I'm just going to sign this really quick, and I'll also fill out no visible evidence. Done with that, and that will automatically use the diagram that I've created in Fieldwork. Next up is a service agreement. And in this is just a basic service agreement. It's going to have all of my customers' information auto-populate. It gives me the chance to fill out all of this information as needed. When I tap that in, it gives me a guide on what might be added, so I can write in what services are to be rendered. I'll say and again, all of those other fields can be filled out as well. You can sign at the bottom, have the client sign. Once you've done all of that, so I'll go ahead and sign. And then done. So same with the next document. When you open that up, you have the ability to use your fingers and pinch it open so you can see more. Check off which pests are going to be included and have the client sign. Once it's signed, tap the X, and it's done. Those documents will then auto send to the client as soon as you are completing this service. So I'm going to do actions, complete and save, and then that will auto email to the client, and that is done.